Hi my Donnas, welcome back to another video. Today I am going to show you how I do these paper balloons. So this is, I purchased some paper balloons on Shein because I was browsing on the internet to see what I could use for some decoration. So this is 14. So 14 of them come into this package here, and I'm going to make one for you and show you how I did it. So I'm gonna use the string. I take out the string that comes on it. I have to tie it in the middle right there, and then just at one end, so you have that string where you can just hang it up afterwards. So yeah, then I'm gonna fold it in the middle. You have to be in the middle. Yes, fold it in the middle and then fix that string. Is limit right there? No, I think I'm video. You know what I'm done as them say? My post it say I laugh after me say me birthday gonna look like to pick me. And I'm done as them say, yes, but I see your work. You know, say you decorate before. Yeah, and I estimate you. Yeah, like that. They are laugh after me. Yes, you're right. You know, you decorate that before. You don't trust me. So as I am pulling out the rows, because it has 6 rows of yeah, and this is like paper. I can't describe the material, but it's more like a paper. So it's paper, but it's like what do I call it now? That paper where you put in oven. It kind of have that feel. But yeah, paper balloon. But it's gonna be very pretty when you put all of them together. So, but it was nice. So I start doing them from 2 weeks before the birthday, because I'm not gonna have time for them June that time. Well, not 2 weeks, because next week Friday is the birthday. So yeah, like 10 days, 8 days. Yeah, start doing them from now. But it was good. I was in my husband in the kitchen making porridge, so I decided to just hang out with him while I do something. So I'm doing this right here. It was nice. They look very pretty, and I love the color. The color them stand out. They are just some rich, nice color. So yeah, so these are balloon, and I have to be, you see, I push my hand at the front sometimes because I have to be wetting my finger. It's dry, so I have to be using the damp paper towel to kind of moist my finger every time I'm gonna try to, because they stick on each other. Yeah, but it was good. I enjoy doing them. I have a lot of them. I need to check the rest now because I ordered some more on Shein. I want to make sure I have enough. Yeah. So Shein for decoration on this birthday. Let's see if it's gonna look very cheap. Yeah. Always buying things on Amazon, and the same things them on Shein way cheaper. So guys, that is my paper balloon that I purchased on Shein. Let's see. So that is the final finishing. Yes, I do have some more coming, and I'm going to sort them out as soon as I get them.